Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an Virgin Atlantic Airbus A340-600. So let's begin. We'll start with the box. So nothing different from normal apparently. Now from the inside we've got information, and of course, as it is a Virgin Atlantic, it had to have this red plastic. So let's go to the unboxing. There we go. So I think it's a really nice touch to have this red plastic. Not sure that it is on all Virgin Atlantics, but at least for this one it is, I think. So really nice. Here's the plane. We'll go into more details in just a second. So here you can have a small glance of it. It's got this red shiny logo. Really nice, beautiful. Gemini jet branding, very small. So yeah, let's go with some shots for the aircraft, and we'll go with a further detailed review later on. So let's go to them. Now to wrap up the video, we'll be taking a final look to the details of the model. First, we've got Queen of the Skies, which, if I'm correct, is the name of the aircraft, which is kind of weird, you know, as Queen of the Skies is like the nickname for a 747, but it's fine. We've got this lady, which is classic on all the Virgin Atlantic aircrafts, with the Union Jack flag. We've got Airbus A340-600 branding, the Virgin Atlantic lettering, lettering. We've got the four engines of this A340 painted with this really nice red color, which does shine a lot. Very good, well done. We've got the antennas, and the gear is made out of rubber and it doesn't move. So again, this one is like the most detailed you can get. And we've got the registration number, which is Golf Victor Echo India Lima. And we've got at the tail this logo, which again with this really nice red paint. Very nice, very neat. And that's it for this model. Hope you liked it. If so, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.